All right, Tesla fam, let's get straight to it, guys. Today I'm going to show you how to toggle on the rear camera while actually driving in your Tesla. So first things first, guys, make sure your Tesla is powered on and you're in the driver's seat. And what you want to do is, guys, while driving, right, you want to just simply tap the camera icon, which is located at the bottom of your screen. Okay, bottom of your touch screen, you're going to see the camera icon. You want to tap on that. Look, this icon looks like a small camera right here. It looks like a small camera, and this will activate your rear camera view. All right. So what you want to do, guys, is once you tap the icon, the rear camera feed will pop up on your display. Right? You can actually adjust the angle or zoom in or out as needed by using the touchscreen controls. Right? So while the rear camera is active, guys, you can actually utilize additional features like guidelines for better parking and maneuvering. These features actually will help you, navigate tight spots with ease. And to actually return to your main driving view, guys, just simply tap on the camera icon again and you will be back to your regular display. It's literally that easy and simple, guys. And that's it, guys. Now you know how to toggle on the rear camera while driving your Tesla. For more ways to upgrade your ride even further, guys, check out the link in the description. And until next time, guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel so I can see you